Mason, and what I'm doing today is an underwater volcano experiment, science thing experiment, and yeah.
Get excited.
Just get excited.
Step 1. We did the filling of the test tube with warm water, and it's 1/3 full.
This is a test. 1/3 full.
Mm-hmm.
And we already did that, so we don't
And
have to
Mason's
do it.
going to add 1 medium scoop of baking soda to the water. Go ahead, Mace. Medium baking soda.
This
Make
is
sure
a
it's
medium.
filled.
It's a medium scoop.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, I got
Make sure you
it.
scoop the amount.
Wait, let me get it open more. My hands are getting soaked.
Did you get it full? Yeah, make sure it's even. There you go. Now dump it in there. Is it doing anything yet?
Yeah, it's at the bottom.
Oh.
So it's at the bottom because it's not really mixed. But I don't think it has to be, does it?
I think you're good right now. Okay, so next step. Add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder and gently stir until water is uniformly blue.
So
Red cabbage powder. Little
one?
scoop.
Okay. Because, oh, that's red cabbage. That's in the way. Okay. Oh God, what is it?
We've got technical difficulties. Get it with the little scoop.
What is this? Oh!
I opened it. Well,
It's in a
oh, it's in a baggie.
unexpected
baggie.
red cabbage.
Be very careful.
Looks like brown cabbage.
Brown cabbage? It's
called
misleading. It's misleading. Okay.
Now I poured it in.
Pour it in.
Oh, that was cool. No, actually,
Now you got to take your
that
stirring.
is satisfying. I have to take my stir.
Stir
Looks
stick.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna stir it all together.
Until it's uniform, right?
Mm-hmm. Wait, so let me take it out.
Let's see a close-up of this.
Wait, it looks blue.
Yep.
Look at that.
It's supposed to look blue, yep.
It's supposed to look blue. Doesn't look anything like seawater.
Okay, I think you're good with the mixing. Okay. Slowly pour vegetable oil into the rest of the test tube, almost up to the lip.
I don't know what a lip is, but okay. Wait, is this a lip?
Yeah, that's the lip.
Oh.
Almost, they said up to the lip.
Oh. So, oh no.
Just be careful, it'll come out fast.
Wait, I need you. Because this is not compared for fingers. It's compared to nails. I'm holding the camera right now.
Oh no. Don't try this.
This
at
is the
home.
one that's reading the instructions. If you didn't know.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't. Because it'll spill everywhere if you're doing it the wrong way.
This is not right. Okay, I think that's enough for now. You want me to pour it?
Ear out slowly, because
Very slow.
it's hard to like.
Ooh, that looks cool.
Almost to, okay. That's
job.
about it.
Get a close up of that.
Should I mix it? Oh, wait, what is that little bubble going down? That looks cool. Satisfying.
Okay, it looks like a lava lamp, kind of.
Kind of, yeah. We did some good stuff. Okay, so, should I mix it?
No,
Does
wait.
it say to mix it?
1 minute. Measure 1 medium scoop of citric acid.
Citric acid. Okay, this sounds dangerous, but it's really not.
And then you count down to the eruption.
Oh, wait.
Should we maybe bring this to the sink for an eruption?
Yeah. Because, no. This, no.
Or we'll go in the bathroom.
Or yeah, the bathroom. Because the sink is full of dirty water. Like that sink. Because we put food in there. Wait, the big scoop?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait. Relocate.
Yeah, we're gonna put this
Actually,
in
yeah.
there because it might go up fast. Like, do you know that trick where
Okay.
say
Put it.
they put Mentos in Coke and then it doesn't go right? So,
There's gonna be an eruption.
and then we might have to leave our house. Okay, what?
Wait, more than that. Is it filled all the way to the top? It's beady. Okay. Ready?
Oh no!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was cool! Oh my god! Okay. Oh, so it's
Eruption.
it's almost gonna come out. It's almost gonna come out. Oh yeah, it's out. It's out of the box. There, the thing.
That's cool.
Oh.
Other angles.
Oh my. Okay. This satisfying. Talk about overload satisfying to me.
I like that angle of it.
There's it's like fire popping down and it's not. Oh, that was a big one. Well, it's not fire. It's like. Because then we wouldn't be doing this. That would be neat. Oh, look at the
So
bag.
cool. We can bring it in the other room. We'll watch it. We'll
Yeah.
observe.
Because it wasn't too bad, actually. Right?
I thought it was going to be like a total eruption.
The back is the best. Back best.
No, I think this is the best area.
Yeah. Look at that.
Done by Mr. Mason.
Let's see what happens. Oh.
Hold it up.
As you can see at the bottom right here, you see like air popping it up.
Mm-hmm.
And it's bubbling down there. Like the baking soda is still down there. If you want to see, it's still down there, the baking soda.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's going up, and it's making. That's our dog Bailey, and we have a second one. And that's making it go up, and there's little, it's just, I can't explain it. Wait, can it?
Mace, what was the science project called?
The underwater, it's called
Volcano.
Underwater volcano, yeah. So, oh my god, it's just look at the bottom down there. It's pink and it's unexplained.
Unexplained.
Oh wait, whoa, I got a good pic. Look at those bubbles moving right there. One of the best things I ever seen in my life. And the other side is just, and all those little, so the baking soda basically goes on a ball and it comes up on the top. As you can see on the top, you can see a little bit of baking soda up there.
It's going to probably keep going until all of it from the bottom goes to the top, right?
Yeah, it's probably gonna, it's kind of running out. But so it looks like at the bottom it's going really fast, but the baking soda, looks like it's not too many, once you pour it in something, but it's actually, baking soda is actually one little piece of dot, and it basically goes everywhere, when in here, but it's not going very fast, but when you look at it, it's going very fast to you. And there's this little clump of bubbles, and the baking soda can't really go up anymore too much because the bubbles are kind of blocking it. But the baking soda actually goes on the sides and it comes up and it fills the little middle right. And so, yeah, that's the underwater volcano experiment.
The end.